Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to jumpstart a Buick Enclave step by step. First, ensure both vehicles are off and parked level with parking brakes set. Open both hoods and locate the batteries or jump terminals in each vehicle. Remove any jewelry and wear gloves if available. Identify positive and negative terminals and keep metal tools away from terminals to prevent sparks or shorts during the process. Attach jumper cables carefully and in the correct order to avoid sparks. Start by connecting the red clamp to the positive terminal on the dead battery, then the other red clamp to the donor battery positive terminal. Next, attach the black clamp to the donor battery negative terminal. Finally, secure the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal ground on the disabled vehicle away from the battery. Double-check connections before starting the donor vehicle to ensure safety and correct polarity. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, a handy companion during roadside waits or long drives. It pairs well with a roadside kit. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. With cables connected, start the donor vehicle and let it idle for about 3 to 5 minutes to transfer charge. After that short charge period, try starting the Buick Enclave. If it cranks and starts, let it run for several minutes to stabilize the battery. If it does not start, wait a bit longer or check connections for tightness and correct polarity. Once running, remove clamps in reverse order and avoid turning off the vehicle immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.